Hi everyone, I have something special for you today. Meta has sent us an exclusive early look at their new Meta Quest 3S. We are among the first to get our hands on this new headset, the Meta Quest 3S. That said guys, let's dive into it to see what this new headset brings to the table. The Quest 3S comes in two versions, the 128GB priced at $299 or £289 in the UK, or the 256GB, which is priced at $399 in the US or $379 in the UK.
Both the 128 and the 256 gigs versions share the same powerful internals, including the Snapdragon XR2 processor, which is the same as the Meta Quest 3, and 8 gigs of RAM. On the front we have two cameras to create stereoscopic color pass-through of your environment, 4 cameras for inside-out tracking of your hands and controllers, and 2 float LED for illumination and more reliable hand interaction. Quest 3S use the same old lenses like the Meta Quest 2, the Fresnel lenses instead of pancake lenses like the Quest 3. One of the standout features of the Quest 3S are the Touch Plus controllers with advanced haptics. These controllers have a slim ring-free design that feels incredibly comfortable in your hands. As you use them, you'll experience more natural movement and precise inputs. Even better, at the launch, all versions include Batman, Arkham Shadow, and a 3-month trial of MetaQuest Plus.
Fight back! It's the freaking bat! We aren't afraid of you! Everything that's wrong with Gotham! I'm done holding back! Don't let up. Breathe, looking to avoid trading blows. Breathe goes in with a light hit.
Quest 3S brings you also mixed reality. With full color pass-through, you can blend virtual elements into your real world. Hand tracking, navigate and interact naturally using just your own hands, no controllers needed. Versatility, whether it's for social connection, entertainment, work, fitness, or learning, the Quest 3S has you covered. Multi-screen browsing, you can put up to 6 windows anywhere in your own space, perfect for multitasking. So guys, is the Meta Quest 3S useful? Yes, I think so. The Meta Quest 3S opens up a world of possibilities for entertainment, fitness, productivity and social experiences. Whether you are working out or hanging out with your friends in virtual spaces, this headset has something for everyone. The cool things about the Meta Quest 3S are the mixed reality capabilities which blends virtual and real worlds, the comfortable design with adjustable straps, the hand tracking, controller-free navigation. You have access to a vast library of apps and games you can play. You can play Batman Arkham Shadow, which will be released on 22nd of October. You have the Supernatural Fitness app. You have the Meta Horizon Worlds for social experiences. You have the Xbox Cloud Gaming. You have the X Stadium for immersive sports viewing. Headspace XR for meditation and relaxation. And you can check out your favorite content on Netflix in the browser, Amazon Prime Video, Twitch, YouTube, Peacock, and many more. Meet your friends in the Meta Horizon Worlds and watch a comedy show together, and you can host a meeting with your colleagues in the Meta Horizon workrooms. You can conduct a virtual science experiment or practice jobs interviews in the real world scenarios. And with the mixed reality apps like Victory XR and Body Swaps, get ready to learn like never before. You have the multi-screen browsing for productivity, and another cool feature is the ability to transform your computer screen into a giant virtual display. This is great for editing videos, reviews, or working on large projects. You have the travel mode for in-flight entertainment. You can bring up your Meta Quest 3S and take it in the flight entertainment to view new heights. With travel mode, you can watch your favorite movies on Netflix or Amazon Prime and TV on a giant screen anchored in front of you. That's it guys, let's see the cons of the Quest 3S. It has a lower resolution compared to the Quest 3, 1832 by 1920. Smaller field of view than the Quest 3, 96 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical field of view. No hardware depth sensor. It has the old Fresnel lenses from Quest 2 instead of pancake lenses. It's slightly heavier than the Quest 2. Has the limited battery life, around 2 hours of usage. And it doesn't have included the Elite strap for enhanced comfort. In conclusion guys, the Quest 3S is a perfect for VR newcomers, families or Quest 2 owners looking for an affordable upgrade. It's a great entry point into the world of mixing reality without breaking the bank. Overall, Meta Quest 3S offers incredible value for its price. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of the Quest 3, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to dive into the VR mixed reality experiences. If you are a new VR or you want an affordable upgrade from Quest 2, then the Quest 3S is definitely worth considering. The pre-order guides are now available with delivery starting from 16. You can check out the link down below if you want to order it. That's it guys, thank you.